Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. This is how to participate in this challenge. You see the last few. You click on, you see this future challenge now. This is the challenge you can participate. Now it's AI for life. You click and read instruction like this. Now assuming that you don't know anything about this thing, you can watch other people's content there. You understand? When you watch, you know what to do. Now let me look for another easy one. This one is book club. Snap yourself when you are reading. This one is very simple sef. You understand?
Got a book.
Or you explain anything you know about the book. That is it. Okay, this one is best photography 2025. You snap yourself. Yeah, you snap yourself. You see this person snap. Just something that is good like this. Okay, now you don't know what to do here. You snap. You screenshot it like this. You go to ChatGPT. You come to ChatGPT like this. What you need to do is the picture that you screenshot, you paste it, you add it like this. Then you ask ChatGPT, now I want to take part in this challenge. How will I go about it? You send it to ChatGPT. Wait for ChatGPT to respond to you. Perfect said. Okay. This is the instruction. You have to read all this thing. Understand what ChatGPT is telling you. Don't just go and rush and come to my DM. Yeah, read this thing. Understand how to join this best photo 2025 challenge. Open the challenge page. You already on it. The one in your screenshot. Make sure you log into your Goodword account. Take part. Just follow all this instruction. You understand? Then if it's to generate image, you take ChatGPT. The reward for it is $25. Just check it. Assuming that you win the challenge, $25 in your wallet account. Is it not something? It's not everything you come to favorite. If it's generating image, if it's for AI, you come to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to give you image of this content. ChatGPT is going to give it to you. Anything you want, come to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT question. Maybe if you ask the question and you don't understand, you can come to me. Then I can help you out. But don't just come to me for me to be doing everything to you. No, this thing is free update. You are not paying me for it.